again, if I were asked to graph this out, I'm going to say it's a little more challenging each time. Yeah, graphing that out. I do know there's a domain issues over here that x has to be greater than or equal to -5, and the x can't be 4. All right. So I'm going to say, having software at your disposal isn't bad. All right. So what I do, I kind of graphed it out, not the whole thing, by the way, but I graphed a partial picture over here, and I want to point out, what I'm basically seeing over here is I'm seeing some starting position. So I want to kind of understand this over here, that there's a starting value over here. And I'm saying it's starting at -5. So I'm going to put the point down for you. So -5. And what I want to do is go back over here. This is not a limit, by the way, and plug that in. And what am I doing? I'm plugging it in over here. This is not the limit. So what are you going to get? -3 on top. What do you get on bottom? Well, let's see. -5 minus 4 is -9. So that's going to be 1/3. All right. Let me go back over here. And so since there's no numbers, how do you know it's right? You're right, there's no numbers over here, but I'm going to say this is 1/3. All right? Picture looks like this now. By the way, that's inclusive over there. That's a point that's actually there. And then over here, what's happening over here? Well, there's a value over there. I'm going to say it's 4, comma. Well, looking at, I don't know the number. I don't have any numbers on the ordinate to do that. But looking at the limit, it looks like 1/6. All right? So I want to point out, we did this thing by hand without any visual aid, by the way. So we got this over here. You want to look at that video, you can. And I got a limit of 1/6 over here. I'm going to go back to Sage and play around with it. Reset, define a variable, define a function as written, do the limit as you approach 4 from both the left and right and at 4. What am I expecting to see? 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Let's take a look at it. Sage returns 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, as expected, by the way. Thank you.